Hey Leo. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. See, oh Jesus. See? Alright. Well, here we go. So, somebody also could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, and Three of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. So there was definitely a third party situation that took place here. So y'all know how I feel about my court cards. You see it's two men, but it could be two women. There are two people here. Alright. This is why, yeah, somebody got cut off. And this person, they're not putting in the work right now to come back towards you. See, look at that. They were being sneaky. This person definitely was being sneaky. So they were entertaining someone else. And that's why there was a breakup. Yep. You had to end things with this person. Cross-watcher, if you were dealing with a Leo and this took place and it happened with you, it's like you had to let go of this person. And I'm seeing that somebody's coming out of being frustrated. Yeah, because see, that person was a player. Somebody definitely was playing games here. Always in and out. Couldn't make a decision to save their life, what they wanted to do. Yeah, somebody could have been dealing with an Aries. I'm picking up somebody, there's a controlling energy here. Maybe you guys felt like this person manipulated you. But I'm seeing that, yeah, somebody's moving extremely slow here to give you an offer. This person had a lot of ego. Their pride was in the way, but I'm telling you, they're coming back. They want to offer you stability. This person messed up big time. And they're wanting to come back to give you the offer that you deserve. But see, they're worried. The fact that I'm even seeing like 2 4s here, even though the Ace of Pentacles is in between, I'm feeling like, yeah, there was some type of family situation that is taking place, Leo. And that was stopping your person from giving you the offer that you deserve. It was family, some type of home situation. And that's why they're worried that you may not accept it. You see what I'm saying? Family. They do want wish fulfillment with you. They want a family with you. But there was some type of family situation going on for somebody here. Tell me more. They're needing to let go. Yeah. They had other options in the past. Now it's like they don't know what to do. You know, they feel like you're going to leave them hanging at this point. Leo, you could be dealing with another Leo. But this person is trying to have the strength to come towards you. Look at that. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. This person knows what they want. Because in the past they were confused. It's just now they're still moving a little slow. Because they left you hanging, Leo. They left you out in the cold. Look at that. And they're not happy about it. Somebody had to remove themselves from a toxic situation. Could have been dealing with the Capricorn. But yeah, I'm telling you, somebody had to walk away because things were not improving. Okay. Yeah. I feel like this person wants to balance things out with you. But in the past, they didn't put in any type of work. You did everything. And see, they're having a hard time. Because they're thinking about all of this. Somebody's dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. There's a Taurus here. But I'm seeing that somebody does want to have a commitment with you. They do. They love you. But they're afraid that you don't want to have this new opportunity with them. You know, because they cause a lot of drama, a lot of conflict. Tell me more. But I'm seeing that this person definitely does want to start over and build something with you. But they're just moving really slow, Leo. They're moving extremely slow. They feel like the seeds that they planted, they want them to grow, but it requires them to basically get out of this energy of feeling trapped or feeling stuck, you know, because of some type of family situation, or if there is a love interest, whatever the situation is, they're needing to get out of it, and they're also needing to speak up. They need to speak their truth to you. What are they back and forth with? See? They're frustrated. They're trying to clear away obstacles. I told you, they're coming out of this energy of feeling stuck in a situation. But they're still back and forth. Yeah, they're sad, you know, because they feel like they did lose you. For some of them, they're taking a financial hit when it comes to their finances. Money, yeah. You're going to get an offer, but they're trying to take care of something first. Somebody could have lost out on a lot of money giving to this other individual or giving to some type of situation. But ultimately, they're coming back to give you the offer that you deserve. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But this person here, they know you want to talk to them. You want to hear from them. And they know you want the truth. But they're just afraid of what you're going to say. See? They're coming back to turn things around, Leo. Could be dealing with a Scorpio, but I'm telling you, because of everything that they put you through, they feel like you don't want to have a new start with them. They're afraid that things may not improve, you know, and they don't want you to walk away from them. They don't want you to leave them. But see, there's going to be a tower moment here. So there's going to be some type of shakeup that takes place on their end, which is going to force them to free themselves from a situation. Yep. But they know you don't trust them. They know that you don't believe them, so they're going to come and give you back this small offer. They're going to come and talk to you because they do want to start all the way over with you. They want to start over so they can have this home life with you, this family. They do want to work things out with you. The Magician tried to jump out. That's letting me know that they are manifesting you. They're trying to stay positive, but see, Spirit is saying they're not using their intuition. I feel like for a lot of you guys, this could be your person. Look at that, 11, 11, 11. So soulmate, twin flame energy for some of you guys. You know, they're hoping that when they do come back in, you're not going to look back at what took place in the past. Because they do want to have this new start with you. They do want to have this new beginning with you. Clarify the Empress. Back and forth with the Six of Pentacles. Hold on. Tell me more. Okay. I'm going to give it to y'all both ways because it could apply for others. So, oh Lord. So, for some of you guys, I do feel like this, honestly, no. For all of you guys, I feel like your person is going to come back. They definitely want to have a new beginning with you. They want to balance things out. And they're getting advice. They're talking to someone that they trust, trying to figure out how to take a leap to come back towards you to make things right. Now, there's a small percentage, what I'm about to say is going to apply. The issue is that your person could have got someone pregnant, or your person is pregnant. And they're trying to figure out how exactly to balance this out because they're coming to you, right? I mean, that's hands down what I'm saying. They're coming back. The problem is they're going to have to give to this other person, financially speaking, because it's like, I have to say this, all babies are blessings, okay? But if that is what's going on in your situation, this child had to come in order for your person to make some serious changes. Because now they're like, I've been playing around, you know, that in and out energy, remember that player energy, but now this is real because now there's a child here and I'm having this child, or I got someone pregnant, you know, that I don't even want to be with. I don't even like them like that, you know, and yeah, but now they know they're going to have to give money to this person to take care of this child, which they should. That's their responsibility, but they're trying to figure this out. That makes sense why they're feeling like you're not going to take them back. So that's not for everyone. It's only a small percentage of you. See? They know that they hurt you to your core. And they don't know if you're going to want to even work on anything with them, because if there is a child involved, they know that that's gonna hurt you, like, really bad, especially if you didn't even know about it. See? Look, even that. Third party. They broke your heart. So, again, if there's not a child involved, they just know that they did hurt you because there was a third party situation. You know, somebody could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but I'm seeing that a decision has been made. See, there's two women. You see what I'm saying? Oh my, yeah, there's a third party. This person made a decision between you and someone else. They're not putting in the work with this other person that they've been dealing with. I told y'all, it's like they don't want to deal with them anymore. They don't. See, even the Wheel of Fortune's at the bottom of the deck, they're moving on. They learned their lesson. But they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good, Leo. And I'm telling you, there's communication coming in. If you haven't been talking to this person, I'm telling you, they're going to reach out to you. Because, look, they want to balance things out. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But they're hoping that you're going to give them a chance so they can heal things with you. Because they do want a future with you. But see, this whole family situation that could be, you know, what's taking place, whether it's them trying to heal a family situation with, like, a lover, or it's a actual family situation like with parents, sister, whoever. This was their lesson. I told y'all they had to go through this. Whatever this situation is, baby or not, this had to happen in order for your person to make some serious changes. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Tell me more. Yeah, because see, they're having a hard time right now. I'm telling you, they broke your heart. They're having a hard time. They put you in this third-party situation, and they're afraid that you don't want to move things forward with them. Could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody also could be dealing with a Pisces, but yeah, they're using their intuition, but they're afraid that you're not going to move things forward because, yeah, they kept secrets. They kept something hidden from you, and they know you want the truth. I do feel like your justice will serve, Leo. Could be dealing with a Libra, but right now, they're trying to make a decision. But see, they're not talking. Some of you guys, you're not talking to this person. There's little to no communication. I'm seeing that because they're afraid they're not going to have a victory with you. And they're trying to remove themselves out of this third-party situation in order to give you the offer. Yep. They don't want you to wait on them anymore. Like, they're wanting to make a move. I'm telling you, they're wanting to heal from basically betraying you. I don't know why my eyes are going into this sword right here. It's like the final one in the middle of the bat. Like, it's just like, that's it. You know, you did a lot. I can't do this anymore with you. You know, and they're wanting to come back to make things right. Look at that. There you are. They're confident about you, Leo. They know you're a blessing to them. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, but they're back and forth with the Magician. One minute they're positive about, you know, working this out. The next minute they're not. They're still going through their lessons right now. So patience is needed. Because right now they're not moving things forward. Look at that. They're coming, excuse me. Oh, I got all choked up. So anyway, they're coming to you, Leo, to make things right. But whoever this individual is, they're holding on to them, and it is something pertaining to finances. So, yeah, Leo, please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. I hope you guys enjoyed your reading.